Good morning, good afternoon, all of you, wherever you are watching. So today, my name is Harithra Dasgupta, and I'm going to talk about the scope of BBA in marketing. You heard me right, one of the specializations. I'm also going to talk about finance in one of the sessions. So both these topics, marketing and finance, I'm going to talk about. In this particular session is marketing, another session I'll talk about finance. ठीक है, चलिए. So let's talk about this. You know, my name is Harithra Dasgupta, and it's been a wonderful experience. So I'm talking here about the Byju's exam prep and the courses. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. But the first things first, you know, this is me. I hope you can recognize me, Harithra Dasgupta. So I will be conducting a session this Friday, which is tomorrow. Many of you often have doubts on how exactly do we what exactly to do after 12th. So that is something that that I'm going to describe to you, and I'm going to tell you how you can get into an IIM straight after 12th. I will talk about DUJAT as well, but the main focus will be on IPMAT and on JIPMAT. So watch out for that session, all of you. See you all for that particular session. So let's start about the content जो मैं बात कर रहा था आप लोगों से. So marketing एक बार पढ़िए आप लोग. Marketing is one of the most important factors for everyone in the market. Every company focuses on marketing their products to stand in the market, so that they basically what they're trying to say is that koi bhi company, it is always looking for skilled people who can market their product and sell their product. So that is why every company's focus is on highlighting products which can do very well in the market. And what does MBA marketing talk about? The course aims at teaching students the basic and most important marketing skills to promote their product, company, and services. It teaches them business management skills and prepares them for the industry environment. BBA in marketing takes students through the principles of management, business economics, marketing management, business maths, and the various fundamentals of the computer system. The average course fee ranges from rupees 2 lakhs to 6 lakhs. उससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, but this is the broad idea. An integrated program which includes BBA plus MBA might cost a bit more, but an average cost is between 2 to 6. If I'm looking at an average for the entire country, then this is pretty much the ballpark figure. ठीक है, इससे ज़्यादा as I said हो सकता है, but ये एक overall ballpark figure है. ठीक है, चलिए, let's move on to the next slide. Now this course encompasses traditional as well as new approaches towards marketing and enables the students to deal with real life problems in the industry. ठीक है, बहुत लंबा पैराग्राफ उसके आगे. The backend team has shared this with me, but I'll still read it out for you guys. The specializations on offer in this course are special product marketing, advanced social media marketing, search engine marketing, business marketing operations, integrated online strategies, advanced mobile marketing, business economics, advertising, interactive marketing, advanced email marketing, entrepreneurship, and small business development, marketing research, international marketing, and also a bit of accountancy and bookkeeping, because obviously without accountancy no management course is complete. So although accountancy is typically something which we associate with MBA in or BBA in finance, but nonetheless it is an essential cog in any management course. So even if you're doing marketing, aisa nahi ki you can be completely away from numbers. Talking of numbers, marketing research also involves a lot of numbers. So marketing research and accounts are two areas where economics as well. There's a topic on economics मैंने कहीं देखा था, इतने लंबे है उसमें, कहीं ना कहीं मैं, हाँ ये रहा, मिल गया, बिजनेस इकोनॉमिक्स. इसमें भी आपके नंबर्स है, तो नंबर्स से आपको कहीं छुटकारा नहीं मिलेगा. नंबर्स थोड़ा बहुत आपको हर एक में पढ़ना पड़ेगा. सो दैट इज प्रीटी मच हाउ थिंग्स विल वर्क. ठीक है, चलिए, let's go on to the next slide. Okay, now what is the eligibility criteria? Let's understand. The candidate should pass the senior secondary examination from a recognized board. The candidate should have done 10+2 from a school which is affiliated to a well-recognized board. The student should also have obtained the minimum marks required as mentioned by the universities individually. The range varies from 45 to 55%. ठीक है, that is the broad idea. Right? I hope this is clear to everyone. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। ये मिनिमम दिस थिंग है, कुछ कुछ कॉलेजेस में थोड़ा ज्यादा भी हो सकता है, बट दिस इज द ब्रॉड आइडिया। आई एम नॉट स्पीकिंग, दिस इज नॉट अ कॉलेज स्पेसिफिक सेशन दैट आई डिस्कस ऑलरेडी इन द क्राइस थिंग, बट इस वाले में ये ओवरऑल है। ठीक है, एक चीज और है आपके लिए इंफॉर्मेशन, अगले सोमवार को विच इज ऑन मंडे आई एम कंडक्टिंग अ जॉइंट सेशन विद अल्पा मैम। अल्पा मैम इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इंग्लिश टीचर्स इन द country, and I would like to think I'm a pretty good teacher in GK. So Alpa ma'am and myself would do a joint session which is on English and GK, on how you can ace English and GK together. Okay, that is the idea that we will be talking about. How you can maximize your potential, your efficiency. That मैं एक article पढ़ रहा हूँ जिसमें obviously मेरा GK improve होगा, but साथ में English भी improve होगा. So wonderful, both of them together, right? Okay, so BBA in marketing selection process. The common entrance exams that are required to pass for this course includes SET and NMAT, etc. Other than these, some institutes may conduct their own tests. See, I did not mention IPMAT because that is, shall we say, an integrated program. So that's why I'm not including that. So other than these, some institutes may conduct their own tests and take admission on the basis of scores of the tests. There are some institutions which take students through direct entry. Christ University is one of these institutes. ठीक है, NMAT is for Narsi Monji University, while SET is for Symbiosis University. The selection process differs from one institute to another. Scores of entrance tests are accepted by most of them. However, some of the institutes require further filtering. It is done by conducting personal interviews for those who qualify the entrance test. The ones clearing the interviews are further selected. ठीक है, so that is the selection process. I hope you like this diagram जो selection process पे है. आप एक बार ये स्लाइड फिर से पढ़ लीजिए. अगर कोई भी डाउट हो, क्वेरी हो, आप प्लीज हेजिटेट मत कीजिए, मेरे से डायरेक्टली आप पूछ लीजिए. ठीक है, दिस इज अ रिकॉर्डेड सेशन. सो जब भी आप देख रहे हैं, लाइव चैट तो है नहीं, लेकिन नीचे जो चैट बॉक्स रहता है, चैट का एरिया है, उस पर सवाल लिख दीजिए, एंड आई विल बी हैप्पी टू look into that. In fact, our backend team also occasionally keeps looking at them, so it will not be much of an issue. ठीक है, डन, ग्रेट. चलिए लेट्स मूव अहेड. ओके, नाउ बीबीए में सब्जेक्ट्स क्या क्या है एक बार वो भी देख लेते हैं. जस्ट सीइंग हाउ मेनी स्लाइड्स आर रिमेनिंग. राइट, गुड टू ऑलवेज हैव अ ब्रॉड ओवरव्यू. ठीक है, सो बीबीए में दीज आर द सब्जेक्ट्स: मार्केटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स, प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ सेल्स मैनेजमेंट. I have taught that paper. Market because I also teach at B schools, I have taught in the past market segmentation, marketing audits, marketing ethics, consumer behavior, brand management, business laws, economic analysis, and industrial marketing. Industrial marketing is also known as B2B marketing. ठीक है, industrial marketing is another word for B2B. So business to business, when two businesses directly collaborate together, that is this thing. ठीक है, आई थिंक मार्केटिंग रिसर्च मेंशन नहीं है, वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है आज के दिन, तो वो भी लिख लीजिए. मार्केट रिसर्च अलग चीज है, वो एक थोड़ा नैरो एरिया हो जाता है, बट मार्केटिंग रिसर्च, ठीक है, marketing research. So add this word, and obviously also add digital marketing. आज के दिन what is the marketing without the digital world? So I don't think that is mentioned either. I'm just using the word M because that is self-explanatory. So marketing research and digital marketing, both these courses extremely influential these days. ठीक है, so just go through this as well. Okay, let's move ahead then. Okay, these are the courses, basically various colleges Flame University, it's in Pune, pretty famous. It's an upcoming one and doing pretty well these days. You've got Quantum University, Assam Downtown University, International School of Management Excellence, IMS Unison University. I've got ICFA University, main one is in Hyderabad. They have other branches. Global Business School and Research Center, Sharda University, again from Delhi NCR, Noida, I believe. GL Institute of Business Management, Medicaps University, Simbi, I told you the main one is in Pune, but they've also started branches in Hyderabad and in Noida, and they're doing very well, especially Noida doing great. Manipal University is in the south, in the state of Karnataka, beautiful location. And of course we also have Shobhit University. Okay, so these are the main institutes. Look at the price range. This is per annum, so obviously you can see this is the most expensive by far, 7.7 lakhs. OP Jindal is also very expensive. That's also a very good place, somehow not mentioned here. These are the various other this thing. ठीक है, प्लीज टेक अ लुक. इसको एक बार देख लीजिए प्राइस रेंज हर एक का, ताकि आपको अच्छे से पता चल जाए वेयर एग्जैक्टली डू वी स्टैंड. आई एम सो फॉन्ड ऑफ दिस बायजूस एग्जाम प्रेप बॉटल. जस्ट लुक एट द फी ऑल ऑफ यू. मैं थोड़ा सा साइड हो जाता हूं. ठीक है, perfect one to go hiking, you know, this bottle. And काफी I must say काफी पानी आता है इसमें. It looks small but it's compact. It has a lot of volume. Right, I hope you guys have gone through this thing. Wonderful. So let me move on to the next slide. Now I'm going to talk about career options. ठीक है, career options here. As we all know that marketing is an important department in every company and organization. There's always an opening for good and skilled marketing managers and executive at all the companies. A lot of places the term is marketing. Your actual work might be sales, but please do not be put off. Sales is a very important cog in the marketing. You can't have marketing without final conversion. So sales, business development, marketing, they all go hand in hand. Okay, so candidates who are looking for a career in marketing may apply to any organization after checking for the vacancy. There's a large scope for the candidates who have completed the BBA in marketing degree. So if you have the relevant degree, it's even better. The chances for you getting recognized by any company is obviously, needless to say, far higher. ठीक है. Now what are the jobs and salaries mainly? Again, as I said, ये एक एवरेज प्राइसिंग है. इससे ज्यादा भी हो सकता है, कम हो सकता है. मार्केटिंग एग्जीक्यूटिव 29,000, प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर 1,70,000, ब्रांड मैनेजर 45,000, मार्केटिंग रिसर्च एनालिसिस्ट 36,000, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग मैनेजर 54,000, मार्केटिंग कम्युनिकेशंस मैनेजर 78,000, and sales manager is 49,000. These are the figures. Please take a look. As I said, this is an average overall. In many cases it's lower. I'm just being very honest with you guys. Don't come up with very high expectations unless you make it to an elite college. Try to make it to an elite college, all of you. That's why we are here. We are here to teach you so that you can crack the best of exams. But in case you can't be happy with whatever you're getting, try to grow. Ultimately it's your experience that matters the most, and of course education matters a lot, but education come experience. So once you start getting experience, you can rise up the ladder. Also, the macro factors matter a lot. The state of the economy, for example. Now, Indian economy, for the obvious reasons, COVID-19, global economy generally had a massive slump in 2020. 2021, the second half, there are shoots of resurgence. If you see across industries, things are picking up. And one of the main reasons is, to be honest, last year the graph went down so badly that anything is a step up. So yes, economy is picking up and it will pick up further in the next couple of years. God forbid there shouldn't be another wave or something, but at this point it seems there are signs of recovery. So, you know, these macro factors obviously also play a role. Who could be your main recruiter? So I'm not talking of companies per se, but I'm looking at the kind of companies which could look for you. So take a look. Media houses, retailers, brand management firms, event management firms, advertising agencies, market research firms, travel, tourism and hospitality firms, industries, manufacturers, IT firms. These could be the various ones, and each of them, these are the kind of roles you can get. So media mein, for example, you can get a marketing executive position. Retail mein this thing, isme aisa. So it is like this, you know, in the straight line. You can just take a look at all these profiles and roles. That will be really exciting for you. ठीक है? Okay, let's go on then for the next part. So I'm pretty much done with the content. There's no point in keeping it open for you to ask doubts because it's a recorded session. But nonetheless, do send me your queries in case you have any. And of course, these are your faculty members. They'll be taking care of this course. These are the faculty for a batch 3. That is the booster course, which is specific for a few subjects. This is the overall comprehensive course for 2022. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए आप लोग प्लीज इसमें ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स दीज आर सम ऑफ आवर स्टार ट्रेनर्स एंड डू नॉट मिस माय सेशन टुमारो. ठीक है, 12 noon sharp, where I'll be discussing the various career options. It's a recorded session, so in case you might be watching it today itself. So 12th, that's the point. 12th of November is that session. Do not miss that session. In case this session is beamed after 12th, or you are watching a later recording, you can watch the recording of the 12th वाला session. ठीक है, वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है जिसमें सारे career options के बारे में mention है. Although ये slide मैंने शुरू में दिखाया था, एक और बार दिखाना बनता है क्योंकि ये इतना ही essential है. ये इस हफ्ते का highlight है. So just go for it, please, all of you. ठीक है, चलिए. Thank you everyone. Wonderful interacting with you all. Have a wonderful weekend. We of course are Byju's Exam Prep. We are available the app on the Google Play Store. So download now and keep watching the sessions. Thank you so much everyone.